Welcome to Community Science Night at Orange Coast College. Science Night is a chance for families to come to campus and discover some of the wonders of the natural world. Scientists of any age get to interact with faculty, staff, and students from various departments across campus. They get to examine, explore, and get hands-on with samples from several scientific disciplines, such as anatomy, biology, and chemistry. And they get to explore various campus facilities, such as the horticulture gardens and aquaponics lab. Inside the technology building, they get an insight into the latest in electronics, machining, and engineering, as well as a tour of the on-campus makerspace. In one of the newest buildings on campus, they get to examine archaeological artifacts and meet the brain. A popular stop is the Aquarium and Marine Science Department. And no science night would be complete without the volcano.